Seth Felix here. Welcome to another episode of A Day in the Life of a Makeup Artist. Hey dolls, sorry if my voice is kind of nasally today because I have a pollen allergy and since pa-spring na dito sa Italy, nagsilabasan yung mga pollens. And ang lola nyo, very stressed and suffering kasi, ayan, may sipon. Actually, hindi siya sipon. Blocked lang yung ano ko talaga, yung nose ko. That's why my voice is kind of nasal. So sorry. Bear with me as I do my makeup. Actually, I'm not going to do a step-by-step of my makeup na kasi I have no time to do a full tutorial video of Get Ready With Me. So, magta-transition na lang. So, paano ba? Okay. Just, di ba? Ganyan lang. Simple lang. Sa'yo mo dyan, ma. Teka, tanggalin ko lang to. Okay, so now that we are done with our makeup, I am going to share with you my agenda for today, and I will be collaborating with this photographer. Sorry, nagbibinata. I will be collaborating with this photographer, and we met through Instagram, and we are going to have a fun shoot with two models today. And actually, kakakita ko lang ng mood board kanina umaga. And because I forgot to ask for the mood board 2 weeks ago nung nag-usap kami to set the date. And ayun, I am going to get ready. Actually, I'm already dressed and I'm just going to pack up my main kit kasi naandun na yung lowercase at saka yung chair ko. Kulang na lang to kasi ginamit ko yung foundations and some other stuff sa kit ko kasi gusto ko presentable na naman tayo for today, ma. Diba? Do you like it? Bet mo yung makeup ko ngayon. Diba? Cutesy-cutesy lang. Tsaka, mare, bet mo yung overline lips ko. Laki no? So, anyways, ayun, mag-prepare lang ako. I'm going to eat something before I go. Kasi meron pa naman akong 1 hour before I leave the house. So yeah, kakain lang ako ng slight. And then, larga na tayo. So, let's go mga mare. Parang bet ko yung makeup ko. Actually, ang sabi ko kanina, I'm not going to wear lashes. But here I am, wearing lashes. Sabi ko, hindi ako mag-overline ng lips. But here I am, overlined lips. Diba? So, gusto mo yan? So, ayun. Let's pack my main kit na. So, kakatapos ko lang kumain and my allergy is really getting me. My eyes are turning red because they're kind of itchy and sana hindi magtuloy-tuloy so I can work better later. So, let's go and we are going to the location right now. Okay. So, my kit is already tucked on the back of the car and we are now heading to Treviso province. We have 38 minutes of drive at makakarating kami doon ng 2:36. Kasi ang sabi nung photographer is it's either 2:30 or between 2:30 and 2:45 dapat naandun na ako to set up, to get to know each other, and to get to know the models as well, and to discuss the hair and makeup. So, luckily, the sun came out. And kasi kahapon, umuulan siya ng hindi naman siya super heavy rain, pero umuulan, tapos cloudy and dark. Buti na lang ngayon, maaraw. Although, hindi kami mag-outdoor shoot kasi yung shooting namin is sa studio. But, yung papunta and pabalik later, at least, maganda yung araw, 'di ba? So, Ayun. We are 4 minutes away from our destination and sabi ko, ba't walang masyadong tao dito sa town na to? Sabi ko. Kasi I've never been here. So, tignan nyo, wala talagang tao. Puro bahay-bahay lang. Tapos ilan lang yung mga cars. Siguro dahil Saturday, tapos maganda yung araw, lahat nagpunta sa beach, mga ganun. So, yeah. And yeah, 3 minutes before we reach the location. So I just finished the 2 models right now and the shoot is already going. Dito kami sa studio ngayon. And ayan, lilinis lang ako ng station ko because it's really messy right now. I already took down the light kasi baka nababother sila dun sa habang nagsushoot.
Questa è sabato prossimo. Per caso, Simo, conosci qualche...
Hey dolls! So it's already 6:13 in the evening and kakatapos lang namin sa shoot. Actually, may natira pang isang model but tinapos ko na yung last touch up ko and yung hair, then umalis na kami. So, it was a fun shoot. Actually, ihahatin lang ako ni Hubby today. Kaso, yung photographer, pinag-stay siya to assist sa mga lights, gano'n. At nag-enjoy naman si Hubby. So, ayan siya. Actually, yung unang sinabi ng photographer sa kanya is, kung pwede ba daw siyang picturean. So, habang nagme-makeup kami ng mga models, tinest shoot muna si Hubby and sabi niya it was fun. So, now we are heading home and actually gutom na ako. So, siguro we're just going to make an easy dinner tonight. It's already almost 7 now kasi sa akala ko kanina darating kami ng mga 6:45. It's already 6:53 and we all 8 minutes pa before makarating kami sa house. So, ayun, medyo traffic kasi rush hour ngayon. And I think I'm just gonna end this video here. So that's it. I'll see you on my next episode of A Day in the Life of a Makeup Artist. And yeah. So bye dolls.
Bye-bye.
Bye.